Hi there. In this video, we are building a bar-in-bar chart in Tableau. Let's jump right in. We are going to use the dual axis method to build this. First, let's get our categories on the screen. So from our data pane, I will drag the subcategory field into the rows shelf. Next, we need two metrics. I'm going to drag the sales field into the columns shelf. Then, I will also drag the profit field right next to it. So right now, we have two separate charts. To overlap them, we need to create a dual axis. So I will right-click on the second fill, which is the profit, and select dual axis. By default, Tableau changed our marks to circles. So I will show you how to fix that. So on our marks card, you will see three tabs appear, one for the all, one for sales, and one for profit. Since I want to change the marks for both the profit and the sales, I will select the All tab. From here, I will change the mark from automatic to bar. So now we have bars again. But because they are the exact same width, they are completely blocking each other. So here is the secret to the bar-in-bar chart. We just need to change the size of the front bar, which is the profit. So I will go to the profit tab in our marks card, click on size, and to make it thinner, just drag the slider to the left. Let's make it 20. And there it is. The thinner profit bar sits perfectly inside the wider sales bar. I will just fit the view to entire view so we can see it more clearly. So right now, our profit and sales kind of feels off. As you can see, our blue bars represents the profit and the orange bars represents the sales. But looking at our chart, it looks like some of the categories or subcategories have profits higher than the sales, which is not right. And if you look closely at our axis for both the profit and the sales, they are actually not synchronized. As you can see here, for the sales axis, the maximum is 340K, while for the profit axis, the maximum is 55K. So this is the golden rule to always remember when using dual axis. Always synchronize. To do that, simply right-click on an axis and check Synchronize Axis. And there you have it. Our profit and sales axis now match perfectly. So this is exactly why the bar-in-bar chart is so powerful. It is the absolute best way to compare two overlapping metrics, like sales versus profit or actual sales versus a target, because it saves a ton of dashboard space and looks incredibly clear. Now, to make our chart instantly readable for our audience, we want to use contrasting colors. And a great trick is to make the background bar, in this case the sales, a neutral color, and the inner bar, in this case the profit, a bright color. So first, I will go to the sales tab and change its color to a light gray. Select edit color. Since I'm changing the color of the sales, I will select sales here and choose a color from here. So you have plenty of choices already here, but if you want more choices, you can click the drop down arrow over here and scroll down to a lot of choices available in Tableau. So let's choose Tableau Classic 20, and I will choose this gray. And for the profit, I want a bright blue color like this one. And there you go. As you can see, the colors of our bars automatically change. After that, I will just click the X here. Now you can easily see our total sales in gray and exactly how much of that was actually kept as profit in blue for every single category. Now before we wrap up, since we created a horizontal bar chart, a great way to show this is to sort our items from highest sales to lowest. To do that, I will simply click to the toolbar at the top and select Sort by Descending Order. And here you have it. So now you can easily see our total sales in gray and exactly how much of that was actually kept as profit in blue for every single category. Now, in our sample data, this is actually very interesting because as you can see, our top selling items are chairs, phones, and storage, but actually, in terms of profit, our copiers here is actually the top performing item. And an additional insight we have here is that, as you can see, the tables here is one of our top selling items, but in terms of profit, we are actually losing money, which is not a good thing. So we need to flag this item. And there you have it, a clean professional bar in bar chart. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or video requests, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.